Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Teacher Martin, and I hope that you are doing good. I hope that you are continuing to learn Kikuyu from this channel. And for today, I just want us to learn some greetings commonly used in Nyiri. Yes, and I will just teach you what is necessary. Most of the time, these greetings are used by mothers and grandmothers. So we start with the mothers. If you are the age of the son, your son, they will greet you, Wakia wa, Wakia awa, Wakia awa. And you, as a man, you just say, Wakia maitu, Wakia maitu, Wakia maitu. Okay? And then, for grandmother, she will greet you, Wakia shosho. That's for all the grandsons, for all the granddaughters. She'll greet them, Wakia shosho, Wakia shosho. And the reply is the same, Wakia shosho, Wakia shosho. And now, there's another one according to your age as a lady. It will be greeted. You have this greeting that is for if you are the age of the daughter or such. The mother you greet you this way. Wakia iyo, wakia iyo, wakia iyo, wakia iyo, wakia iyo, wakia iyo, and the reply is wakia maitu. Wakia maitu. So that's the only thing I wanted you to learn this wonderful time that I'm putting this for you here on YouTube. Continue learning through the other lessons that are here in this channel. Continue looking for what can help you. Continue proposing new lessons that you want us to have. And above all, make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and turn the notification bell on so that you always be the first one to know when I upload new content. So may God bless you, and best time as you continue learning the great and wonderful Kikuyu language. Bye bye for now.